Yeah, but she taught me as well. This is what she taught me to do. Remember that crisp packet I did? It was actually pretty good. That's the only good thing I ever did. It was food. Are you recording this? We're going to do it at a different angle, I think. We're going to do it
It doesn't look too bad from afar. Oh no, wait, up close it looks shit.
That's pretty good, that bit's alright.
It's because it's a circle.
It's a circle, John. Stare of concentration.
Yeah.
Let's see.
That's my one. That's Amanda's one.
I cannot.